If I had to pick one device to carry around, I would most likely choose a tablet. Phones are irreplaceably portable, but cramped screens limit the experience. Laptops have power, yet lose that casual anytime, anywhere vibe. Tablets keep the portability while giving you more room to work with, but most tablets out there end up collecting dust year-round, serving no purpose beyond watching videos. Is there tablets with maxed out streaming and gaming, great for study notes, and packed with the eye wizardry? Let us see. You bet! The Lenovo Legion Y900 AI tablet comes in two sizes, 11.1 inch and 13 inch. For you to pick, what I have here is the new Lenovo Legion Y911, lighter and portable for study and play. The design feels familiar, that classic Legion vibe. The build quality carries on the premium feel of the Legion Y series with a subtle camera bump. 13 megapixel main cam with the RGB light ring, flash, and streaming. Light effects combo below. Gaming, music, AI-powered charging, boot up, each has unique lighting, super cool. And we have got to talk about this screen. Back in the day, many bought tablets just for big screen video. So what many manufacturers ended up doing was just giving you a blown-up phone screen. But the screen on the Lenovo Legion Y911 is different. With a golden 3:2 aspect ratio, 3840x2560 resolution, and 415 ppi, the display is incredibly sharp with no visible pixels. Plus a 144Hz esports grade high refresh rate and class-leading 360Hz touch sampling. For entertainment, watching, or gaming, it is the best screen in its class. Period. Sure, some will say a big screen means a bulky body. Let us check. The tablet weighs in at 480 grams, super light. Thickness. We measured 5.99 millimeters, easy to toss in your bag for school. Hands will not tire even during long gaming sessions. But let us be real, flagship tablets have maxed out build quality and feel. What truly sets them apart now is an eye. So, what can AI... After using it for a while, I want to have a real talk with you. First up, AI air gesture. Remember watching sci-fi movies back in the day? Tom Cruise in bulky sensor gloves, waving like a conductor to drag data across a holographic screen. That scene was set in 2054, but now in 2026, it is right here in my hands, and it is even more awesome than in the movie. No gloves needed. Do not touch the screen. Grab in the air to screenshot. Make a like sign to like, and a heart for triple combo. At this point, asking for a triple combo isn't too much, right? Next up is AI eye tracking. In split screen, look left and the focus automatically shifts left, gaze right, and the control permissions follow right along with you. First time trying this, it honestly felt like something straight out of Cyberpunk. Lenovo Precision Pen Pro 2nd generation, 1.4 millimeters ultrafine tip, 8192 pressure levels, 0.1 milliseconds latency. Feels like writing on real paper. Made a mistake while writing. Just flip the pen like a traditional pencil to erase. Want to highlight key points? A quick tap of the tail marks it right up. On any page. See something you do not get? Double tap the pen, circle what you want to check, and you will get quick explanations, translations, more. Then there is iSmart Notes. Configure your stylus to single or double click the end to instantly start live audio recording. It intelligently distinguishes different speakers, marking who said what and when, all crystal clear. When recording's done, AI Auto combines audio and transcript into a structured summary with chapters, highlights, and to-dos listed. Speaking of which, I brought in a friend with serious calligraphy skills for a test. Normally, with a brush in hand, he is full of flair. His masterful calligraphy is a sight to see. But with the stylus this time, he wrote surprisingly smoothly, knocking out a few large characters in one go. Not going to lie, it looked sick. And just a heads up, the world-leading handwriting app GoodNotes Express will launch on the 15th of June. This is a native Android debut. The version launches in China for the first time, exclusively on the Y900. Buy now through the 14th of July to get 6 months of GoodNotes Ultra. And on the 15th of July, exclusive Lenovo Precision pen features will be updated. Talked all that, but you think that is it? Do not forget, this is a Legion we are talking. Flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9500 seconds, LPDDR5X, and UFS 4.1. 1 hour honor of King's Max GFX averaged 143.82 FPS. minimum 129.051%, lows 126.39, Genshin Impact an hour, average 59.95, minimum 56 FPS, 1% lows at 57.10 FPS, handling all games with ease. But let us be real, tablets in this price range have pretty much maxed out performance. What sets the ceiling is the IAI Pixel Sniper 2.0. When dragging the view, the picture is smoother, steadier, and more responsive. In FPS games, AI Sound Hunter 2.0 isolates and boosts footsteps above all else, while suppressing noise like wind and gunshots, giving you a much cleaner audio feed. However, these two features currently focus on Game for Peace, with plans to expand to FPS like Delta Force. Plus the Game View mode, boosting MOBA vision by up to 50%. Honor of Kings, League of Legends, all supporting wider view makes teamfights easier. Paired with Harman Kardon 6 speakers, the sound is super immersive with deep bass that hits. Plus, all major streaming platforms unlock top-tier quality, like Bilibili's Dolby Vision 4K. iQOO, IY, iframe colors. Tencent's MAX4 KHDR Vivid makes watching shows super immersive. Then there is the micro SD card slot, up to 2 TB. RAM and storage prices are on a wild roller coaster right now. My 1 TB memory card I paid $550, now it is shot up to $1,250. So I recommend the 256 GB version, totally enough for daily files and movies. Wait for big storage prices to drop, then go straight for 2 TB max out. Lastly, I want to recommend an accessory I have been using lately, the Lenovo Legion P5 power bank with a built-in cable. It packs a 10,000 mAh battery with 100 watts max full protocol fast charging. All 3 ports deliver full power, juicing up devices fast. It has a built-in USB-C cable, so no extras needed, making travel hassle-free. It is super versatile, charging phones, tablets, and laptops. Plus, with low current mode, it handles small devices like earbuds and mics with ease. Plus, both its body and battery cells have CCC certification, safe for flights, trains, and it is 618 sale time. For those who just finished exams, now is the time to treat yourself to one. Lenovo Legion Y900 8+128GB, launch price $25.99. EDU discount and subsidy brings it to $2,039.15. I have also put together the prices for different bundles and pre-order perks for you to check out. Alright, then that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a triple combo. It really means a lot to us. See you next time. Bye bye.